Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm back at it again with my hairstylist Lush Styles by Patience. Today she's installing this pretty unicorn looking wig on me. I'm super excited for it. So basically what she's just doing is the ball cap method, what she always do. And if you want to see how she does it, just watch my previous well, you're gonna see through the video, but I'm not gonna really explain through it because I don't really like my voice and the voiceovers. It sounds so stupid. But yeah, this is how she melts the lace and everything with the makeup and just makes the flawless install. So just keep on watching to see the finishing result, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you Dsoar Hair for sending me this 26-inch blonde wig. I freaking love it. It was super soft, silky, and easy to work with, and the lace wasn't too thick at all. It was super thin, and it was just so transparent, and it was just so easy to blend. So thank you once again. Enjoy the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of your girl Icy. Bye.
Just on the beat. Righteous on the beat.
Now you guys, let me know where the heck my lace is, because baby, I cannot find it. My baby hairs is laid and so is my part is so straight. If you guys want a perfect install like this, make sure you book my girl because she gets booked up super quickly. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe once again, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye pretties.